So one of the machines that's up for sale here is the Ford truck combo style here. Dad's going to take a tour and he's going to zip around the yard here.
This is a FN-10 real swamp buggy with a Ford body on top.
Say that all again.
This is a FN-10 Nodwell.
Yeah.
It's a real swamp buggy, and it's got a Ford cab and box on it.
Okay.
And it's standard shift,
Yeah.
V8 gas, and I'm gonna run a demo here, show everybody how good it runs, and then I'm gonna interview the owner.
Okay. Okay. September 29th. This machine hasn't been fired up, I think, in about a year, but they started it up right away. It's a standard. A little windy, so I might have to yell into the camera here. So if you're looking for something like this, cheaper than buying a truck these days, I'll tell you that much. So Dad's just coming around the corner here again. Got lots of pep. So if you got a remote camp or a fishing camp, or you're out in the bush and you want to just get there, look at that. Lots of height for the deep snow. Low on gas, he just said. So I might have to run to town and get some gas. So, got it running here again. Dad's just zipping around the yard here a bit. Just gave it a quick boost and some gas. Purring away here. We're going to keep on with seeing how it looks like touring around the yard. So Dad's just moving it over towards the shop. Probably end up giving it a cleanup as well. Testing how well it moves. This really is going to be ideal for anybody that's got a remote camp. Probably end up giving this one an oil change as well. But I know it is going to be a hit for some people here. And I think, like I said, the idea is to probably end up giving it a wash here first. And then we're going to check all the fluid levels. But it's at the wash shack right now, so that's just going to park it, and we're going to do a video on this one here as well. So you guys got to see it moving around. Those tracks are probably worth $4,000 or $5,000. So I know it's a real Johnny Cash type of vehicle here. Number of different pieces on there, but whoever ends up buying it can do whatever they want, but the track assembly is going to be really beneficial for somebody in the way it is set up right now. What do you think, Kitty? You like your new truck?